In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or remove someone from your Slack workspace really quickly. This can be useful if a team member has become inactive or they're no longer part of your project. The process is simple and only takes a few steps. First, open up Slack and log into your account. From the top left corner, select Your Workspace. Now, hover your mouse over Tools and Settings, and from the drop-down menu under Administration, click on Manage Members. This will take you into your workspace's Admin Management area. Here, you'll see a full list of all the members in your workspace along with their status, like active, inactive, or invited. Find the person you want to remove and click on the three dots next to their name. In that menu, you'll see the option to remove them from the workspace. Just click on that, confirm your choice, and that person will no longer have access to your Slack workspace. And that's all there is to it. That's how you quickly remove someone from your Slack workspace in just a few steps.